Ever wondered what it's like to carry a handbag worth more than a car? Today, we're diving into the luxury world of luxury handbags. Prepare to be dazzled as we unravel the secrets behind the most expensive and iconic designer purses in the world. Welcome to the world of luxury, the ultimate destination for anything extravagant. To keep up with the most recent happenings in the luxury world, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button so we can keep you updated with more of our content. Let's get started. When it comes to making a fashion statement, few accessories can rival the allure of a designer handbag. These exquisite creations not only exude elegance but also symbolize status, luxury, and sophistication. From the catwalks of Milan to the streets of Beverly Hills, designer purses have become the ultimate must-have accessory for the fashion elite. Our journey begins with a nod to the visionaries who paved the way for luxury handbag design. Imagine yourself in the bustling streets of Paris, where the air is infused with creativity and innovation. It's here that the titans of fashion, Hermes, Chanel, and Louis Vuitton first etched their names into the annals of luxury. Each brand, a beacon of excellence, has left an indelible mark on the world of haute couture. Hermes, synonymous with refinement and sophistication, stands as a paragon of timeless elegance. The Birkin bag, born from a chance encounter between Jane Birkin and Hermes' then chief executive, Jean-Louis Dumas, epitomizes the pinnacle of luxury. Crafted with precision and adorned with the finest materials, it exudes an aura of exclusivity that transcends time and trends. Chanel, the epitome of Parisian chic, boasts a legacy that spans generations. The quilted flap bag, with its distinctive diamond pattern and interwoven chain strap, remains an emblem of understated luxury. Coco Chanel's avant-garde vision continues to shape the brand's ethos, infusing each creation with a sense of effortless allure. Louis Vuitton, a name synonymous with wanderlust and adventure, has redefined the art of travel with its iconic monogram canvas. Inspired by the spirit of exploration, the brand's signature motif evokes a sense of nostalgia for a bygone era of luxury travel. From steamships to supersonic jets, Louis Vuitton has been a steadfast companion to the globetrotter in search of adventure. These trailblazers have elevated handbag design to an art form, weaving together heritage, craftsmanship, and innovation to create objects of desire that transcend mere fashion. As we start on this journey through the annals of luxury, let us pay homage to the visionaries who dared to dream, and in doing so, forever changed the landscape of style. Now, let's fast forward to the vibrant present, where a fresh cohort of designers is reshaping the landscape of luxury handbags. Imagine stepping into the bustling streets of Milan, Paris, or New York, where innovation crackles in the air like electricity. Here, amidst the pulse of urban life, brands like Gucci, Prada, and Givenchy stand at the vanguard of contemporary elegance, each wielding their unique vision to redefine luxury. Gucci, under the visionary leadership of Alessandro Michele, has undergone a renaissance, breathing new life into the storied Italian house. The Gigi Marmont, with its interlocking Gigi logo and softly structured silhouette, embodies a fusion of past and present, a testament to Michele's ability to marry tradition with avant-garde flair. It's a bag that exudes effortless cool, capturing the zeitgeist of modern luxury. Prada, with its iconic triangular logo, continues to push boundaries with designs that marry intellect with style. The Kaye bag, inspired by the bindings of antique books, is a masterclass in architectural elegance. Crafted from sumptuous leather and adorned with ornate hardware, it strikes the perfect balance between modernity and heritage, making it a coveted accessory for the discerning fashion connoisseur. Givenchy, under the creative direction of visionaries like Riccardo Tisci and Claire Waite Keller, has carved out a niche for itself with its blend of refined aesthetics and urban edge. The Antigona bag, with its clean lines and geometric silhouette, radiates an aura of understated sophistication. It's a testament to the brand's ability to infuse classic designs with a contemporary twist, appealing to a new generation of luxury aficionados. In the ever-evolving tapestry of fashion, these contemporary icons stand as beacons of innovation, pushing the boundaries of what luxury handbags can be. As we journey through the worlds of modernity and tradition, let us celebrate the visionaries who continue to shape the landscape of style one stitch at a time. But before we go on, I want you to know that I'm always making new content. So, make sure to like my video and subscribe to it so you don't miss anything. Moving on, let's journey into the world where luxury knows no limits, where handbags transcend mere accessories and become veritable works of art. Imagine stepping into a world where luxurious reigns supreme, where handbags aren't just fashion statements, but expressions of lavishness and exclusivity. Brands like Judith Leiber and Moan reign supreme, specializing in crafting handbags that are nothing short of extraordinary. Imagine the breathtaking sight of a Judith Leiber clutch, meticulously handcrafted and adorned with thousands of shimmering crystals, each one reflecting light like a constellation in the night sky. These handbags are more than just accessories. They're objets d'art, coveted by collectors and connoisseurs alike for their unparalleled beauty and craftsmanship. And then, there are the creations of Moad, where luxury reaches its zenith in the form of handbags adorned with rare gemstones and precious metals. Imagine running your fingers over the smooth surface of a handbag encrusted with diamonds, sapphires, and emeralds, each gem carefully selected and set to perfection. These are handbags fit for royalty, symbols of wealth and prestige that command attention wherever they go. But beyond the extravagant price tags lies a deeper story, a tale of artistry, creativity, and craftsmanship that transcends mere materialism. Each handbag is a labor of love, painstakingly crafted by skilled artisans who pour their passion and expertise into every stitch and setting. It's a world where luxury isn't just about what you own, but about the stories and emotions that these exquisite creations evoke. As we dig deeper into the world of lavishness, let us marvel at the beauty and artistry that define luxury handbags, reminding us that true luxury isn't just about wealth. It's about the appreciation of beauty and craftsmanship in its purest form. Finally, let's shift our focus to the investment aspect of luxury handbags, a facet that elevates them beyond mere fashion accessories into assets of discerning collectors. While some may dismiss luxury handbags as frivolous indulgences, others recognize their potential as lucrative investments. Consider the case of vintage Chanel flapbags or limited edition Hermes Birkins. These iconic pieces not only exude timeless elegance, but also boast a track record of retaining or appreciating in value over time. With demand consistently outstripping supply, owning one of these coveted bags can be akin to holding a rare treasure, A treasure that not only enhances one's style quotient, but also serves as a shrewd investment. Indeed, the market for pre-owned luxury handbags has surged in recent years, fueled by collectors and investors alike who recognize the allure of owning a piece of fashion history. From the meticulous craftsmanship to the prestige of owning a coveted designer label, there are myriad factors that contribute to the investment appeal of luxury handbags. Moreover, unlike traditional investments such as stocks or real estate, luxury handbags offer a tangible and portable asset that can be enjoyed and showcased. They embody a blend of artistry, heritage, and exclusivity that transcends mere monetary value, making them all the more desirable to collectors and aficionados. So, while some may view luxury handbags as frivolous expenses, others see them as astute investments, a means of preserving wealth while indulging in the finer things in life. In a world where trends come and go, these timeless pieces serve as anchors of style and sophistication, proving that true luxury stands the test of time. As we conclude our journey through the world of luxury handbags, one question remains. What does owning a designer purse mean to you? Is it a symbol of status, a testament to your impeccable taste, or simply a beautiful indulgence? We'd love to hear your thoughts, so be sure to leave a comment below and join the conversation. And that concludes our video showcasing the world of luxury. If you enjoyed this content, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up. We appreciate you tuning in, and we look forward to having you join us in our upcoming videos.